Precision CNC machining for custom metal parts. Manual grinding removes burrs and refines part edges. Every project begins with a careful drawing review. Inspection setups are prepared for critical dimensions. Measurement tools verify key features before parts move forward. Optical inspection provides a closer view of part geometry. Key dimensions are checked against drawing requirements. Production setups are adjusted for each component. Robotic handling supports consistent sheet metal production. Skilled operators complete welded assemblies. Welding is controlled for fit, strength, and consistency. Engineering and production teams review project requirements. Important details are recorded before production continues. Press brake forming creates accurate sheet metal bends. Operators monitor each forming step during production. Factory floor reviews keep project detail is visible. Production progress is checked directly with the team. Work is coordinated across multiple production areas. Surface finishing protects parts and completes their appearance. Project records are reviewed, signed, and approved. Documentation keeps project information clear and organized. HENGSOL One team from drawings to finished parts.